Hey, I'm Jonathan Wild, and we are going to cover how to record employee payroll and deductions. So let's say I decide to apply for a job at our school's dining hall. I ace the interview, and the manager offers me $4,000 a month. I accept and daydream about all the things I'm going to buy with $4,000. Now, after my first month of work, I check my account and notice I was only paid $3,074. So I'm confused and tell my manager that they paid me almost $1,000 less than we agreed to. And that's when the manager explains to me that the $4,000 per month was my gross pay, which is my total compensation before any deductions. Deductions are for federal income taxes, state and local income taxes, voluntary deductions for things like medical insurance and union dues, and FICA taxes for Medicare and Social Security. After all these deductions, my net pay or take-home pay is $3,074. Now, from the accounting perspective of the dining hall or the employer, they need to record these employee payroll deductions and net pay in their accounting system. So using our example of a $4,000 monthly salary, let's run through the entry for the employer. First, the employer would debit salaries expense of $4,000 to recognize the gross pay and cost of the employee. Next, credit FICA Social Security taxes payable for $248. Social Security taxes are 6.2%. Therefore, take 6.2% and multiply it by the $4,000 salary to get $248 of Social Security taxes owed to the government on behalf of the employee. Next, credit FICA Medicare taxes payable for $58. Medicare taxes are 1.45%. Therefore, take 1.45% and multiply it by the $4,000 salary to get $58 owed to the government on behalf of the employee. Next, credit employee federal income taxes payable for $450. These are taxes owed to the federal government on behalf of the employee and were already calculated in the accounting system. Next, credit employee medical insurance payable for $130. This is an amount withheld from an employee's salary to pay for a health insurance premium. Next, credit employee pensions payable for $40. This is an amount withheld from an employee's salary to contribute to the employee's retirement plan or pension. Last, credit salaries payable of $3,074. This is the net pay the employee will receive after the employer sends payment to their account. When the payment is sent to the employee, debit salaries payable for $3,074 because the employee has been paid, and credit cash for $3,074 to recognize the decrease in cash.